Let's lean it to the side. Hopefully y'all can see that, right? Let's put it in first gear. Pedal assist 1. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Yeah. All right, let's put it in pedal assist 5. We're in pedal assist 5. You hear that? Yeah. Tuttio! All right, so let's go get some Lucas grease. Add some Lucas grease in here. All right, so this will be Lucas Oil Products Incorporated white lithium grease, multi-purpose, all weather for gears, home and cars. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the grease on the gear teeth. Okay. Go ahead and just use my finger with the glove on to spread that into the teeth. Just getting the last bit of the debris off the rim, so I got a tight fit. I think I need some more grease. I don't feel I'm not satisfied with that amount. That's a little better. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's much better. All right, so now I want to put the grease on our rotor. Let's grab our rotor. Our gear's already pre-greased. We put some on there. Okay, that looks good. That looks real good. All right, let's flip this over. Just snap it in. Hopefully it should fall into place. There we go. All right, so it fell into place. Oh yeah, there we go. There. Oh yeah. Oh. All right, so now we gotta take all 6 of these and put them back and put them back. Put them back. Put them right back into the what's the name? Oh dang. We can definitely go underneath though. Let's go ahead, pre-tighten them. Oh no. I wonder if y'all can see that though. Y'all come over here and get my point of view. Alright, so what I mean by pre-tighten is take that screw, and before you use your drill, go ahead and hand tighten them, or just get them in, so you don't strip out anything. Just make sure you're screwing it in. Those teeth they meet up. All right, let me lay this down. Ugh. We got 4 more to preset. So this little screw right here, there's 6 of those. They go into the hub. They attach the tire to the hub motor. Ooh, those gears set. Yeah, I feel it. Don't tighten it all the way down though. Take your time. Take your time. And always on a vehicle parts, do the star method. You know what I'm saying? The star method. Up, down, up, over, down, up. That's how you tighten your screws. So you don't over tighten them, strip it, or misalign anything. Putting a 4th pin in. Y'all see the debris on there? Well, that ain't debris, that's stripped out some. That's plastic. That's composite, that's good though. All right, that's tight enough. Let's do number 5. Number 6. See how long it's taking me to get this one? I just got a bad angle. Alright, so let's see if I can. Hell no. That's way off. Dang. I got a tool. I should have a tool for this. I know I got a tool for this. There's one of them I can't get. Actually, it's 2 that I can't get. But that is, let's say I try H4. H4. H4 is perfect. H4 is not perfect. Oh, H4 is perfect. Okay. Oh, man. That one just that's just too loose for my liking, you feel me? Okay, let's put the drill. Let's put the drill on it. Let's see what the drill do. We got our extensions. We locked in. Let's get a good setting. I hope we ain't stripped it. Let's try to hand tighten it. Let's see if it hand tighten or loosen. It definitely. Damn, I'm gonna put some pressure on there with the drill one more again. Even if I strip it, you know what I'm saying? I can fix it. All right, so once again, let's see if I can hand loosen it. I should not be able to hand loosen it, is it? Nah, I can't hand loosen it. We good. We set. 30 minutes. All right, so let's walk over here. Yo, this place is a mess. Let's walk over here. What else we gotta do? Oh snap! We gotta take. Y'all focus. Y'all focus. Good. We gotta take the controller. Let's put the wheel back on the rear though. Let's put the. Let me see y'all. Come back over here. Cause I don't want y'all to make no mistakes if y'all do this. So y'all see this piece? Y'all see this piece right here? Let me see. Y'all focus. That piece right there. All right. So that piece right there, it goes on the outside. Y'all see that? Or there was my head in the way. It go right there, and it go on both sides. They go on both sides. So I'm gonna show y'all this one. That piece with the little lip. And make sure they both facing the exact same direction. Exact same direction. Look, this is gonna be pointed like that. You feel me? It's gonna be pointed back that way. So that lip right there, it goes in a direction. I believe it goes in a direction of which this tail, that tail we call the cable, is facing. Just like that one right there. All right, so y'all come on. Y'all come over here. I'm gonna place y'all down. Y'all wanna look at that like that? All right, I'm gonna put a tire on. Y'all just stay right there. Can y'all see? Is it clear? All right, so I'm gonna finesse this back on. Finesse this back in. We'll get some clearance for our wire. Ugh. Shoot. Now, that piece goes inside the frame, okay? Can y'all see me? That piece goes inside the frame that we just put on. Trying not to clamp my damn fingers. Bam, we on there. Boom. You see that? We on there. We back on there. All right, so the next step was when we was over here, what we do. So we got this piece. Hold on. Let me see where y'all at. Get down here. All right, so we got this piece, that, and that, and that. That's a guard. So we can decide if we want to put that back on. I think we should. Okay, all right. Y'all gonna stay right there? Good. I'm gonna move this a little bit out the way. That's a light. We'll put it down. See better? All right, now I'm about to do my thing. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but I'm gonna remember how I took it apart and we'll put it back together. And so this is how it goes back on. '21. Actually, I don't want to tighten this too much because I ain't even checked the other side. All right, so let's do the other side. Y'all see me still? All right, bet. All right, so this goes on first. This is a safety key. So if everything else fails, hopefully this doesn't fail and keeps your tire from falling off. Now put the washer on now. Tighten down our bolt. You gotta use a 21. 21 and a hammer. Alright, let me get the fuck up. Oh, shit. As tight as I can get with some good leverage. We still in there, we still in the game. Let's go back to the other side. All right, so this one a little different because this that hurt. Let's see if I can. Damn. Uh-oh. Can't get any more. That hurts so bad, bro. So bad. Ah! Weak ass hands. That's in place. That's the way it's supposed to be. Alright. So, next step, yo. Let's go ahead and, what we'll do next? Let's put our chain back on. Yeah, we might as well put our chain back on. All right, now this motor, upgraded motor, comes with its own ESC. So it comes with its own ESC. 60 volt. So I don't know where the ESC is at. Oh snap, that hurt too. Oh, let's actually go. Let's put our brake rotor, our brake pad, braking system back together. So let's put that all over there. Y'all can still see me. It's just these two screws right here. We'll take those, line it back up, slide it back in. We in there like swimwear. We got one screw in. We got our second one. Let's get our right hex. Let's see if this is the right one. Heck yeah, let's go. Tighten this down. Oh no, that's stripping me. It's supposed to be a star, but we don't use the hex. This one we're gonna use. Way too big. Just right. One down. Y'all strip it? S2 H5. H5. All right, we got our braking system back on. I like the outside, so we need to put zip ties. All right, so let's oh man. How are we supposed to get to the ESC, bro? How? Okay, let's figure this out. That's a little loose. Ugh. Hey, yo, what time is it? I'm losing time. I'm losing sight of time. Okay, it's 3:03. I got 30 minutes. Actually, no, I don't. Now, let's see. Y'all see the spark? Boom. ESC, son. That's not connected to anything. Let's go ahead and cut this zip tie because we at this point. All right, so we about that right there, old ESC, new ESC. And I got some electrical tape for the battery connector. So first things first, let's connect the battery, right? So this is our battery connector right there. Let's go ahead and reconnect it to this. Woo! You saw that? All right, so we're gonna do black tape first and red tape next. So what this is doing, this is just creating a seal, and hopefully water don't get in. Red tape next. Opposite direction of the black tape. Back and forth. Now, we just go match. We just go match. So we know black, red, and blue. Black, red, and blue. Just clip that off. Goes on one way. Clip that in. Now we're on to yellow, black, red, and orange. Yellow, black, red, and orange. And we just go clip that off, and we're gonna go yellow, black, red, and orange. It's the only one that has 4 wires. So 4 wires here, 4 wires here. We're gonna go ahead and clamp it in. It only goes one way. Clamp. Now we have one more, and this is a solid cable, and that goes to the solid cable. It only goes in one way, and it has a little guide. So place the guide inside the slot, push it in snugly, and we're gonna put some electrical tape. You'll use black electrical tape to keep it secure and keep any liquid from going in there. We don't need red tape for this one. Alright, where's my lighter? Keep that electrical tape so it fuses to the plastic a little better. And this improves our water resistant capability. Let's put a little bit more black on my tape. Let's go a little farther down. Let's cover everything. All right, now let's do some of this. Let's put our wires back in there. But before we put our wires back in there, let's go ahead and slide this up and through this porthole. Oh, let me sit down because I'm killing my knees, you feel me? This. That was easy. Oh, this one right here, I don't know what we figure out sometime in the future. Okay. I'm replacing my ESC, my amp patch. All right, so I'm about to plug this in, and it only goes one way. It guides you into the way. It guides you the way it goes in, one way. You can't get it wrong, because it won't go in any other way. All right, so old ESC remove, old motor remove. I need the bike should work now. literally the bike should really work. I just gotta put zip ties back on. All right. Well, let me just stand it up. Man. Okay. Oh, my brakes are bad, son. My brakes are bad. Yo, my brakes are trash. My brakes are trash. Alright, so damn, we broke something. I don't even know what that piece said. I don't even care about them gears though. Put the key in, lean it to the side on the kickstand, and see if that motor spin, you feel me? Hope I ain't gotta reset nothing. I really hope I ain't gotta reset nothing. Boom, boom. Monitor come on. 59.7 volts. Let's put the, oh, don't touch that throttle. Let's lean it to the side. Hopefully y'all can see that, right? Let's put it in first gear. Pedal assist 1. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Yeah. All right, let's put it in pedal assist 5. We're in pedal assist 5. You hear that? Yeah. Tuttio! Let's look at it. All right. So, y'all staying here with me, like my point of view type shit. And we go lean it to the side. I'm gonna let y'all see this, and then I'm gonna take y'all to the motor, so it's gonna be like a double take type deal. You feel me? We gonna get that throttle in there. Y'all ready? All right, we're in pedal assist 5. Got 0 miles, 0 kilometers. I gotta change that back to miles. All right, you ready? Hit the throttle. 72.7 miles per hour. That's insane. That's insane. Nah, that's wrong, son. That's so wrong. Let's hit the brake. All right, let's go look down here. Let's take y'all around so y'all can see the tire when I hit the throttle. You feel me? Y'all good? Oh, y'all need a whole view. You know what I'm saying? Y'all need. Yeah, that's it right there. That's it. Maybe a little higher. Yeah, that's it. Y'all see good now. All right, I'm gonna give it to y'all. This is what I would want to see if somebody was showing me that they repaired their Tuttio ICT. We in pedal assist 5 still. I'm gonna lean to the side on the kickstand. We gonna hit that throttle. Ooh, that is the upgraded motor for the Tuttio ICT, son. Ooh. All right, let's go out of here. Pedal assist 0. Power off. What time is it, y'all? Oh, bro. Yo, I literally have like 5 minutes to go ride this, son. I'm going outside to try this. I don't know if any spiders are in my helmet, but I'm going outside to try this. Let me put my hoodie on first. All right, so I'm about to go outside and try to Tuttio ICT after repairing the motor. After repairing the motor, replacing the motor in the ESC on a Tuttio ICT. It's so much smoother. It's so much smoother than before. Way smoother. And it feels a lot more snappier. It's way better. Way better. How you doing? That's hard, bro. Look at that one. That's hard, bro. That's so hard. That's hard. Okay, so this is the aftermath of what? Fixing my Tuttio ICT. There go the old motor, old ESC, all the tools I needed, helmet I just wore, test driving it, cause I just went, how many miles I just go? I just went 4 kilometers. All the tools I use, that's the grease. That's the grease I use to lube up the metal gears inside the hub. It's time to go get my daughter.